Alright, pussies. Ever wonder which high school clique you'd fit into based on your birth month? Let's find out if you're a hero or just plain weird. January, you're with the nerds. All about those straight A's and video games. I give this a 60 out of 100. Losers. February, you're with the gym brothers. Pumping iron and chugging protein shakes. 65 out of 100. Bro, seriously? March, you're with the emos. Black clothes, eyeliner, and deep thoughts. 50 out of 100. Oh, the drama. April, you're with the cool kids. Always at the top of the social ladder. 70 out of 100. Think you're so special, huh? May, you're with the theater kids. Drama, musicals, and tons of energy. 55 out of 100. Overacting much? June, you're with the band geeks. Marching to the beat of your own drum. 45 out of 100. Nerd alert! That's all for now, you guys. Like and follow for part 2 to see July to December. What high school clique will you get? Find out soon and remember to stay awesome.